Welcome! This is an instructional video that shows how to install the PowerBlock driver for Windows 10 IoT Core. The PowerBlock is an add-on board that performs safe shutdowns without the risk of any data or integrity losses. You can find the driver by following links from PowerBlock's website. First, we open a browser and navigate to the website PowerBlock.com. There we select PowerBlock, About and Getting Started. We scroll down to the button that says Driver Installation and click it. This leads us to the GitHub page with the original Linux-based driver. There we finally follow the link to the Windows 10 IoT Core version of the driver on another GitHub page. Download the driver package by clicking the AppX bundle file from the most recent release. In order to install that driver, we open the Windows 10 IoT Core dashboard. We right-click the target device and enter our administrator credentials. From there, we go into the menu Apps and enter the submenu Apps Manager. Click Browse and select the AppX bundle that we just downloaded. Press the Install button. That performs the installation. In order to start the driver and have it start automatically every startup of the target device, you need to enable the Startup button right next to the PowerBlock driver entry. Here, the first press initially started the driver. The second press then set the driver to be started automatically on each startup. And that's it! Good luck with your project!